Hi, my name's Ilma, and today I'd like to share Psalm 26, verses 1 to 12. Here's God's word. Vindicate me, O Lord, for I have walked in my integrity, and I have trusted in the Lord without wavering. Prove me, O Lord, and try me. Test my heart and my mind. For your steadfast love is before my eyes, and I walk in your faithfulness. I do not sit with men of falsehood, nor do I consort with hypocrites. I hate the assembly of evildoers, and I will not sit with the wicked. I wash my hands in innocence and go around your altar, O Lord, proclaiming thanksgiving aloud and telling all your wondrous deeds. O Lord, I love the habitation of your house and the place where your glory dwells. Do not sweep my soul away with sinners, nor my life with bloodthirsty men, in whose hands are evil devices, and whose right hands are full of bribes. But as for me, I shall walk in my integrity. Redeem me, and I'll be gracious to me. My foot stands on level ground. In the great assembly, I will bless the Lord. Psalm 26, 1 to 12. And here's a poem I wrote, which is inspired by this psalm. Your steadfast love is before me, O Lord. Defend me, O Lord, from all the wickedness around me. I have been faithful to walk in love and integrity. Examine my heart and mind. I have been faithful. I don't condone wickedness nor participate in them. I loathe the corruption that this world creates. Keep me strong and pure so I won't be enslaved. I cleanse my soul and spirit, and yet without you I will fail. O Lord, I love your dwelling place. It makes me safe. Do not allow the enemy to triumph over my nature. Help me to focus on you always and never falter. But despite all evil devices presented before me, I will look up to your vindication, your grace, and mercy. Reflection. Why should Christians never defend themselves but run to God's defense instead? Our human nature always wants us to defend ourselves whenever we are misunderstood, we think we're attacked, or when we want to save our reputation, or we want to justify our schemes or our agenda. But a true Christian who honors the Lord and who knows that God is the one in control and is in our vindicator will never defend themselves. And I know I used to be so into defense. It's almost like I'm a defense attorney for every little thing that people, or that I perceive that people are trying to belittle me or put me down. But I learned in God's word that that is not what we're supposed to do as Christians. In the whole book of Psalms, we see and we hear how many times the psalmist refers to God as a vindicator, as it says in this psalm. So if like in a real setting, if we hire a lawyer, we pay that lawyer, and that lawyer defends us. We don't defend ourselves. Otherwise, we don't have that objective perspective of ourselves. So in the same manner, God knows us very well. He knows our enemies. He knows our heart. He knows us through and through. And so he knows how to defend us successfully and the right way. But because of our fallen nature, we don't know how to do that. So why would we even assume that we can defend ourselves and think that it is not a futile activity to do? It's pointless to defend ourselves because God is our defense. We're supposed to rely on Him. We're supposed to run to Him for defense because He is the most powerful army that we could ever run to, instead of us trying to defend our own selves. So when we defend ourselves, we are not running to God for reliance, for trust, for knowing that He is the only one who can do all these things for us. Thanks for watching. I hope you check my website at ilmaarts.com for artworks, photographs, and a copy of this blog. And please subscribe to my channel on YouTube so I could make more videos for the Lord. Thanks for watching, and remember never to defend yourself. Run to God as David did.